Hello guys, and welcome back to Battle Cats. And today, now this is my first video and I'm not creating another account. So today we're just going to be doing a little unit review of where I am. Okay, so what do we have? Oh, by the way, this is a voiceover. I always do voiceovers, if you didn't know that from my videos. But, I have the true form of Basic Cat. I have the true form of Basic Cat, Mohawk Cat. I have Racer Cat. Have Macho Legs. I have all of them other than Lion Cat. I have, all of them. By the way, at the time I am recording this voiceover, I do actually have Lion Cat. So I will be doing, if you see me with that in a future video, you'll know. And I should be getting that maybe soon, hopefully, but honestly doubt it. So, yeah, have that. Just gonna use it. Have the true form of that. Have these event cats. Have these. I kind of like this guy, but only kind of. And I have finally all of the special cats. Finally got this guy like a few weeks ago, or like a week or two ago. Obviously have Muhammad, have him at level 30. Have a few rare cat true forms like Ramen Cat. I'm pretty sure I have Cyborg. I have this guy. Got him like on the time of recording this video, like a day ago. I like the first form better, but I have him in this form just because it's better. I have these guys. I have Hoop Cat. So yeah, I have these little guys. I have this guy, which I'm happy about because 100% Berry Breaker is good. I have Can. Wish I had Row. I have Pizza. I have Metal. I don't even have him at level 10. I have some of these guys. Wish I had Neo Cutter from those. But, have these guys. I just noticed that, like, the characters in the second form have, like, a cat counterpart other than, like, 2. So, I might be doing a video on that soon. I have that. I have this guy. I really like them because, well, they're like dragons, so yeah, they're pretty sick. I have Sodom. I like using him against like Bun or something, even though he's only level like 14. Honestly, kinda sucks, but I just need to level him up for that then. Have these two. They're like my two best. We'll be getting this guy's true form soon once I get 3 more epic cat fruit. So, yeah. So, yay. That'll be coming soon, hopefully. But then I won't be getting the true form for this guy like anytime soon. Because I'm on the Into the Future chapter 2. Haven't even been that. And this guy needs an Aku cat fruit, so yeah. That's not going to be happening for a while. I have Mola King. I have Red Sokayo, Sonic, that person. I wonder what those last Ubers are. Genuinely wondering, but if you know in the comments, or if you know, just tell me in the comments. Have some rewards. I think I'm gonna be doing some XP stages just to get that cat ticket. So that'll be nice. So you can just kind of watch me do that. My voiceover is going to end. So, goodbye and have a good day. The video will still be going on, obviously. So, bye. Voiceover ending. In 3, 2, 1. Bye.